Our bike was about to be towed away.
Looking for t-shirts, but there's so many nice items here.
Raksha Bandhan is a festival celebrating.
Good morning guys, it's Nick and welcome back to my channel and another video. Happy Saturday to everyone. I decided to do a little vlog maybe over the weekend. I don't think it will just be over today. Just to catch you up on the past few days. It's honestly been a bit crazy. It's been a bit chaotic. So on Thursday I also posted here on YouTube, but I made just a quick video just showing like my support for the Indian community in Ireland with like the attacks that have been going on. And I thought before making the video, like I knew that it could get received the wrong way by some people and not everyone's gonna take it in a good way, and I fully knew that was a possibility. My intent for the video was obviously just to show my support, and ultimately decided like I think I would regret if I didn't say something. For me, I just had to. I really don't usually put such things out there or online or controversial things or anything like politically, socially, otherwise, whatever. You know, I suppose I felt a bit vulnerable putting something like that out there. I'm really glad I did. It's not anything like that, but some people have not responded well to it. I got some messages, some comments on Instagram. I had posted a comment on an Indian news outlet apologizing on behalf of Irish people. Again, like I don't have to do any of this stuff. I'm not doing it to be some hero. I think like people see stuff like that on social media and people would say, how about you go do something about it? Like writing a comment on social media means nothing. The whole point of the video was just literally for the Indian community in Ireland, and thankfully that is the people it has reached also. But it also reached a lot of Indians in India who are naturally really angry about what's happening or to hear about what's happening, and completely understandably and justified. But as the only Irish facing person in a lot of their social media, then I kind of became like the target for their anger. And again, I completely like understand it and everything, but yeah, it's just been a kind of crazy few days in that sense. Maybe just like the shock of some of the things people said, but I'm just a very like fragile person. Anyway, it's not about me. Like at the end of the day, I'm glad I did the video. It reached the right people. It's literally nothing. It took no effort, or you know, I didn't do anything except I just wanted to voice my support. Like that's it. I suppose I just felt a little bit anxious about the whole thing. Like it just all felt like a bit overwhelming. But anyway, I just wanted to kind of like wrap up all of that stuff that like I'm not going to be talking outwardly about it again. What I've put out there, that's all I wanted to convey. It's reached the people intended for, which is the Indian community in Ireland, was who it was intended for, and it's reached them. So that's all that matters to me. And it's just another reason why I just love like YouTube community so much, because YouTube I just feel like it's a much happier place than Instagram, or every one of you that like watch my videos and stuff. Like everyone is just always so nice and kind, and yeah, just thank you for watching. But yeah, I really want to get back to my normal content now. Yeah, craving to just get back to doing these normal YouTube videos, showing things I'm doing on my life in India and all the things I love and enjoy. So yeah, I'm excited for this weekend vlog. So first things first, I need to clean this house. There is nothing better than a clean space, and it just Anyway, I hope you enjoy this vlog. I have no idea what this is going to be, what's going to be in this video, but next weekend it's a long weekend. It's Independence Day coming next week, so we will go somewhere a bit further afield, some sort of bike trip, which we love to do, so I'm excited for that. Anyway, let's get cleaning.
So today is Raksha Bandhan, and Utsav's lovely cousin sent us some Rakhi bracelets. They included me in this too, which was so sweet, and I really appreciate it. So it was really my first time celebrating or taking part in this. Maybe if you're watching from outside India, Raksha Bandhan is a festival celebrating the bond between brothers and sisters, where sisters tie a thread called Rakhi on the other's wrist as a symbol of protection and love, and in return he promises to protect her. So it's really about love and family.
He
has no idea about my background.
Ryan, Jeremy, Jill, Andrew.
Guys, there was this family of tiny birds that arrived on our balcony, and the baby one couldn't understand how to fly properly. The parent birds spent 20 minutes trying to show the baby how to fly. Oh my god, it was the cutest thing. Also terrifying. So cute.
Good afternoon, guys. It is lunchish time and we are going to go outside now and get some dosa for lunch. Have not had dosa in so long, so I'm really excited. We have a couple of things to get. I need to get some like long t-shirts for like working out and running in and stuff. So I'm gonna get those, and yeah, nothing crazy, just head out for a bit, get those bits and enjoy some dosa. Perfect Saturday.
We absolutely love this place. They have amazing dosa, amazing food. Today I decided to go for the onion plain dosa. Look at that. Too good. Then I also treated myself to a nice coffee.
Now we're in Vishal's Mega Mart. Vishali Mega Mart, sorry. Yeah. Looking for t-shirts, but there's so many nice items here. What are those? That's what you would gift. I want cactuses. Cacti. So many cheap clothes.
When we came out of the market, we had realized our bike was about to be towed away by the police. That's our bad though for parking in the wrong area. What a day.
Never a dull day. Good evening, finally back home, and yeah, got a few bits. That was actually such a nice market. It was called Vishal Mega Mart. I think it's like all over India, to my knowledge, but they just have really like cheap clothes and so much to choose from, and not just clothes and like home items and everything, honestly. So I got these kind of like gym, I don't know what the kind of fabric is, but you know, like to exercise in. So I got this blue one and I got this pink one. Perfect. Super cheap. It was, I think it was 2 for 90 rupees, if I remember what the sale was. And then I just got these kind of like black cargo pants. The only like black pants I have are black jeans, and they're like really tight on me at the moment. So I thought these would be cool, and just for like going on the bike and stuff at the weekend, for like trips and stuff, they would just be very comfy. So they're perfect. I just got this green and white stripy t-shirt. Yeah, I just don't have like too many t-shirt-y type things. I feel like most of the stuff I have is like kind of like tighter clothing or like crop tops, and like I don't always want to wear a crop top, you know. So I got this and yeah, love it. So, oh sorry, and I forgot this t-shirt. This is the first one I picked out. I was like, I just love these colors together, like beige and this like baby blue. Love it. I've actually been for so long looking for a t-shirt that was these colors, but not so much of the ones I see, they have a slogan on them and they just look like childish, but this, I just love that it's simple and striped. That's what I got. Also, I've got a few bits, and then as you can see, we came out from the shops afterwards. Sorry, I'm just feeling a lot disgusting. We came out from the market afterwards and our bike had been towed. Well, it was just about to be towed away, because we had parked on the road instead of, and apparently there was like designated parking for bikes, but we did not see that. So we had to pay the policeman 700 rupees to get our bike back, but we got it back. And yeah, anyway, I'm feeling pretty tired. I'm just gonna rest for a bit, then I'm gonna cook dinner, and yeah, just have a chill rest of Saturday, maybe watch a movie. Oh, I still have more Bachelor in Paradise to watch, my favorite show. Yeah, I probably will, I don't know, check in with you again maybe later on today or tomorrow. I think I'm gonna make this like a weekend vlog. I think that would be good. And yeah, I will see you soon. Good morning, guys. Happy Sunday. Happy Sunday. Having such a nice morning. The weather's really nice today as well. Actually, it's a nice sunny day. I've been just trying to sort my nails out this morning. So a few weeks ago I got my nails done. I did a vlog about it. If you haven't seen it, you can go look at it. But basically my nail like ripped in half as I was cooking earlier this week. So I kind of then had to like remove the gel that was on all of them. Sorry, my nails are not bleeding. I put red nail polish on them and I just took it off, but it's not coming off very well. This is the only nail left with some gel on it. So I've been trying to take it off, but it's not really budging yet. Just ran out of my acetone or acetone, whatever you call it. So that sucks. But anyway, they're getting there. They're getting there. I'll have to go back to her soon now. I'm not going to get extensions or anything like that, but just to sort them out. But I love the length. It's great length, so I'm happy about that. Anyway, I hope everyone is having a nice weekend. We want to go to, there's like a lake and hill area near our home, and we go there like almost every weekend now. We just love it there. It's so peaceful. There's like barely anyone ever there. It's just like this lake, and you can climb up like the hills, and like you just overlook the city, and it's just so peaceful, nice. One of these days I want us to like take a picnic up there or something, but yeah, it's just very, very nice. So yeah, we will go there in a bit, and join me on this very chill Sunday. Good morning. We are going to make poha for breakfast. We are walking to get some ingredients. Today the weather is 10 out of 10. It's now almost 5. We've come to our favourite place, although it's looking a bit cloudy and grey, so it's not ideal time, but it is a beautiful spot. This is almost it. We have to climb some more. It is so nice here. It's just so peaceful. There's just like one other person over there, but I feel like as well you can't tell from these clips, but like the view is just so good here. There's mountains around you, there's a lake, and then this side is just all like the cityscape of Pune, and there's just more hills behind and everywhere. But yeah, it's such a nice place. We would love to come here for sunset, but every time we come here it's just too cloudy, so there's going to be no sunset. Once monsoon ends, we'll definitely come here for like a sunset or something. That would be so nice. Pune is the best place. And this other side of the lake, we also go there. And it's also a nice place to sit beside the lake. Someday as well I want to go up to this like line of houses. They all look so nice and big and fancy. I want to see them.
that was our little evening adventure out. Now gonna go back home, cook some dinner. Yeah, it's been a nice day. It's been chill. I feel like I didn't record much today, but honestly I've mostly been editing and planning like future videos, and I don't know, I'll chat about it when I get home, but I'm feeling a bit like, I don't know, like I want to change some of the direction of the kind of videos I do and like challenge myself more to different kinds of stuff. And anyway, you'll be. Okay, I am back home now. Yeah, sorry, so what I was saying was not to put a damper on the mood, but I don't know, I think I'm having one of those days where I'm, you know, like looking at other people's videos and thinking like they're doing so much better, or I really want to like challenge myself more with YouTube and like put myself out there to do different kinds of videos. I really enjoy like any video I make. It's not about that, but for the longest time I've really wanted to do more like interactive videos with people outside and speak to people in Hindi outside maybe, or like ask people questions, and I love the idea of this. But sorry, I know I'm like breaking the fourth wall here because I'm talking about YouTube and I'm talking about like recording videos, so it's like breaking the fourth wall. But yeah, I don't know, I just want to be like genuine and I want to show all parts of everything. Like this has been part of my day today, so I'm going to chat about it. Yeah, so like I feel like I really want to do that kind of content, but it's kind of just about pushing myself to do it and then wondering like, would I be good at that or not? I don't know, I just think I'm having one of those days where I'm like comparing myself to like a lot of other people. Oh, they're doing so much better, they're doing better content, their content looks better. Obviously I do want people to watch them as well, and you know, like I think anyone who is like posting on YouTube or anything, like obviously you want people to watch it as well, not just that you've enjoyed making it, but like that other people will enjoy it. And yeah, I think I'm just having one of those days where I feel a bit like, ugh, I don't know, and I have all these ideas but I just kind of maybe don't push myself to do them. I don't know, I'm just very much having one of those days where I'm just maybe just feeling a little bit more lower self-esteem today, but it's okay, it's normal, we all have days like this. Yeah, just sharing like the other side. But anyway, it was nice to go to the lake area, the hills, and just zen out for a bit. I'm going to have a shower now and cook some bhindi roti for dinner. And yeah, I think I'm going to end this video here because the weekend is almost over. Anyway, I hope I didn't end it on a damper mood, but I'm not in a sad mood or anything, but I'm just reflecting on my content. Anyway guys, that has been it for my weekend vlog. I really hope you have enjoyed this video and I will see you in my next one. Bye!